soul so high, blue eyes, fake quiet. Beware of the fox tonight.
Hey, welcome back to NOVAtazz. Good morning, good evening, whatever happens to be where you're at. I'm coming at you with a public service announcement, whatever you want to call it, from the channel. We did have we lost one of our fleet last week, and it may or may not affect this build. We lost one of our daily drivers. I hit a deer. I did put up a short with pictures, but I'll put up some pictures here as I'm talking. But needless to say, on my way to work, I had a deer come across the front of my car from the driver's side. I had another car coming towards me early morning, so headlights were involved. I didn't see the deer until the last minute, and it clobbered the front of the green Kia Soul. What that means for the channel and this build, by the time you're watching this, I don't know if it's going to be Saturday or if it's still going to be tonight. I'm filming this on Friday. But I have to fix the truck. For those of you guys didn't know, the truck transmission went down again. I got about 2,000 miles on it. 2,000, 4,000, somewhere around there. I got a couple thousand miles on it. And first and second gear went out on it. So I had to, it's been parked for, I don't know. I'd say, well, since I started my new job. So what, middle of January? But I have a rebuilt warranted transmission. I just need to pull the one that's out in the truck. So tomorrow I will be pulling tomorrow, today, whenever you're watching this, whatever, I'm going to be pulling the transmission out of the truck. I don't know if I'm going to film it or not. I'm just going to be pulling it. Then I'm going to have to go out and go get the other transmission and turn this one as a core. But yeah, so that changes a few things. I do have parts on the way for this, more parts. We have a wiring harness, full wiring harness. I didn't trust running the wiring harness that's in this car with the new EFI and trying to splice 40-year-old wires in with a brand new Holley EFI computer. I just figured it's going to be easier to start from scratch, run all the lines where I want them to run, all of that jazz. You guys haven't seen it yet because I haven't edited that video yet. We have the intake off of Jean Grey. Pulled the whole top end off as far as the intake, all of the accessories, all of that stuff. Radiators out of the car. In fact, it's sitting back there. All of that's coming in the next video whenever I get it uploaded. But we needed a new power steering pump. If you've heard it in the other videos, it squeals like a pig every time you turn the wheel. So I wanted to change that and upgrade that. And we got a new alternator. And I got new chrome valve covers for the car because these ones are so... I don't know if I can even show you. Hold on. These ones are rusted. And I hate the way it looks. So they weren't too expensive, so I got some new valve covers for it. We'll see how it works. But like I said, wanted to throw a quick video up there, and just in case I don't get a video up tomorrow, you know what's going on. We're still going to have the live stream tomorrow. In fact, I have the old laptop out here, and I'm trying to see if we can go live from the garage while still using my computer from in the house to run all of the Streamlabs and all of that stuff that you guys are used to seeing on the channel. All right, so that's where we're at with that. Like I said, halting the build on this maybe for a week or so. I've got to get the truck up and running, and because we need a second car. With the Kia going out, that was one of our 2 dailies, and we need 2 dailies. So unfortunately, the truck has to be the other one. This one's not ready to be a daily. I don't know if it'll be a daily, but it's not ready to even run. And the Novas, as you know, are definitely not ready. So that leaves the truck. The truck is the closest thing to being road worthy again. Just need to replace the trans, and we should be up and going with that. And like I said, not to mention waiting on parts. So we will jump back on the Trans Am build shortly. You might not even notice, just because it depends on when I get the next video out. But we'll get there. So, like I said, I already have. Whoops. Woo. All right, like I said, so I already have the top end of this torn apart, as you can see. That's good. That's going to be a good video, I think. But so we got this going. I've got the truck to get back up on the road and get going, and then we'll jump back on this once the wiring harness and stuff gets here, and some of the other stuff that I have coming. Don't forget to check out the website, NOVAtazz.com. Check out our merch. I am wearing one of the new ones. I do believe this is the truck one. Can't see the back because I can't show you. But I have all new shirts. They came out really nice. They hold up really well in the laundry. So go peep them out. And see you on all of the other social medias. TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, main basic ones. So see you there. All right. Peace out.